How do I upload a file into docSAFE? First of all, obviously log in, choose the client and folder where you want to load a file into. In this case I've chosen ABC Limited, gone down to a subfolder called Personal. You'll notice as you click that the working panel here changes. There are a series of icons across the top. The first one, if you hover over it, says Upload Documents, so that's the one we need to click. It will do a quick check to start with to see that you have the latest version of Java installed. Once it's done that, it'll offer you a screen where you can upload. And you can see here you simply have two options. The first basic function is to click Browse, and depending on the PC that you're on, it will look on that particular PC or that network, where you can simply go to a folder to find any file or files that you want to upload. So in this case I could simply upload one or numerous files in one go. So if I just do that, it brings those on screen and asks me to upload. So if I just press upload now, all those get transferred from my PC straight into the client's docSAFE folder. You'll notice there, I think we've nearly finished. There we go. If we return now, you'll notice they're all there. Another option, if we do exactly the same as we did before, to click to upload, is to actually drag and drop. That's an option that we have. So instead of pressing the browse button this time, we could simply be in Windows, and whilst we're in Windows we could go to a particular file, one there, and simply drag that file into docSAFE and drop. The same thing happens, we press upload and the file will get transferred in. Other things to note whilst you're on the upload screen is that you have several options here. We know from experience that the majority of users want an email to simply go to the client to inform them that new files have been uploaded. So by default, if there is a single user attached to this particular client, they will automatically be informed that a file has been uploaded for them by email, and that email will guide them back to the login screen and tell them where and what the file is. Alternative options are that you can notify no one, so you don't have to pick anybody from the user list. If there are more than one person, if it's more than one person on the list, you can actually just choose one, or you may want to use the advanced option where you can pick from a list of possible recipients any of them to tell. And in addition to this, you may also add, just as you can do in any email client, any additional ones that you want that aren't on that list, and then you can simply type and bespoke that message, and that message is the one that will go to the client when the file is uploaded. The other thing to note here as well is by default the not only is the client informed by email, but the default position also is that the file is read-only. So what we've got here is the ability just for staff to delete it. If you want the client to delete it, then choose everyone, or if you want to make it even more locked down, you can simply have the person that uploaded the file being the only person who can actually delete that thereafter.